Have you ever felt like life's obstacles are insurmountable? Like every challenge is pushing you to the brink? Imagine facing a storm of adversities, and instead of being swept away, you find a way to harness its power and thrive. What if I told you that the ancient wisdom of Marcus Aurelius holds the keys to transforming your greatest fears into your greatest strengths? Stay with me as we uncover the Stoic secrets to achieving unshakable success, personal growth, and resilience in the face of life's toughest battle. I'd like to bless you with some insight. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Now let's get into these powerful insights from Marcus Aurelius.
Segment 1. Understanding success through a Stoic lens. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. This profound statement encapsulates the Stoic approach to success. Instead of viewing obstacles as roadblocks, Stoicism teaches us to see them as opportunities for growth. When we encounter difficulties, we shouldn't shy away or become discouraged. Instead, we should embrace them, understanding that they are essential for our development and progress. Success, in the Stoic sense, isn't merely about achieving external goals or acquiring wealth. It's about developing inner virtues like wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. True success comes from within. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. This means that our mindset, our inner dialogue, and how we perceive the world are crucial in determining our overall well-being and success. Segment 2. The power of resilience. Resilience is a key theme in Stoic philosophy. We must cultivate inner strength to navigate life's inevitable challenges. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. This quote reminds us that while we cannot control external circumstances, we have complete control over our reactions and attitudes. By focusing on what we can control, we build resilience and inner peace. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get overwhelmed by stress and setbacks. However, Stoicism teaches us to remain calm and composed. Aurelius advised, "If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it." This principle encourages us to act with integrity and honesty, regardless of the challenges we face. By adhering to our values and principles, we can navigate difficulties with grace and resilience. Segment 3. Embracing change and loss. Change and loss are inevitable aspects of life. Loss is nothing else but change, and change is nature's delight. This perspective encourages us to view change not as a loss, but as a natural part of life's cycle. Embracing change allows us to grow and evolve, becoming more adaptable and resilient. Do every act of your life as if it were your last. This advice urges us to approach each day with purpose and mindfulness. By focusing on the present, we can fully engage with our actions and experiences, making the most of every opportunity. Segment 4. The role of virtue in personal growth. Personal growth was deeply intertwined with the cultivation of virtue. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. This quote underscores the importance of taking action and embodying our values, rather than merely discussing them. Personal growth requires us to actively practice virtues like kindness, humility, and diligence. Look well into thyself. There is a source of strength which will always spring up, if thou wilt always look. Regular self-examination helps us understand our strengths and weaknesses, enabling us to make conscious efforts towards self-improvement. By looking inward, we can identify areas for growth and take steps to become better versions of ourselves. Segment 5. Finding strength in adversity. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. This metaphor suggests that our inner character is shaped by how we respond to challenges. Adversity, therefore, is an opportunity to build resilience and fortitude. Dwell on the beauty of life. Watch the stars and see yourself running with them. This advice reminds us to find moments of beauty and wonder, even amidst hardship. By maintaining a positive outlook and appreciating the small joys in life, we can cultivate a resilient spirit.
Conclusion: applying Stoic wisdom to modern life. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, the timeless wisdom of Marcus Aurelius offers invaluable guidance. His teachings on success, personal growth, and resilience remind us that true success comes from within, and that our mindset and virtues are crucial determinants of our well-being. Thank you for watching A Stoic Future. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and well-being. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, stay resilient and keep striving for excellence.